Hello everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video we will learn about the abstract class in the TypeScript. So what is an abstract class? So it allows us to create the functionality that the subclasses can implement or override them, and they are the classes in which we cannot create an instance, so it cannot be instantiated, and a class can extend the abstract class only once, so they can be extended only once. But why do we need the abstract classes in the TypeScript? So for hiding the implementation and only showing the functionality, we need the abstract class, and for only showing the functionality. So it allows us to define the functionality but not the implementation, and the implementation is done by the subclasses. So this is the concept of the abstract class. So now we will see an example of the abstract class in the TypeScript. So now we will create an abstract class. So I will go to person.ts file and I will create an abstract class here. It will be like the abstract, and then it will be the class. And then we need to define a class name, so the name will be the person. And now we have to define here the constructor. So then if I will provide here the name property like the name, and the name will be here the string, and then we need to define here in the constructor also, so it will contain the name as the string, and then we need to define the name. This dot name equals to the name which we will get in the constructor, and then here we need to define an abstract method, and for defining an abstract method we need to define here like the abstract and then the method name, and the method name will be the get name. So then we only need to define here the functionality, like the get name will return the string, and now we need to just define here only this, like the abstract get name will only return the string, and then we need to implement the functionality in the employee.ts which will extend the abstract class. And then if I will define one more abstract method here like the abstract, it will be the get age, and it will just return the number. So we only need to define the functionality, and then the implementation is done by the subclass which will extend the abstract class here. So now we need to just export the abstract class from here. It will be the export abstract class. So now we need to import the abstract class in the employee.ts. So it will be the class employee, and it will just extend person. So then you will see it will show us the details. So then if I will create a one more function like here with the age, and it will be the number, and then we need to create a constructor call, and the constructor call first will contain the name which will be given by the parent class. It will be the name, it in the string, and then we need to define here the age also. It will also be the number. So then we need to define here the super call, and the super call will initialize the parent class constructor. It will be the name, so the name will set from the parent class, and then we need to set the age from here. This date will be the age. So we are now defining the age, so we have to define the age from this constructor. So then we need to define here the functions which are defined in the parent class like the get name and the get age. So first it will be the get name. So we need to define here the get name, and it will just return the name. So we need to just return here the name like this dot name, and then we need to define here one more function which is the get age. So the get age will be there, and we need to return the get age. Will be the return this dot age. So this is the implementation of these functions of the get name and the get age. So then we need to export this class also, export the class employee, and then we need to just create an instance in the app.ts. So we need to create the instance. It will be the const employee equals to the new employee. So then we need to define here the name like the Nikhil, and the age will be 22, and then we need to call the methods from here, like it will be the console.log employee, it will be the get name, and then another function like console.log employee dot get age. So it will show us the name and the age in the console window. So if I will now save, so then you will see it will show us the name and the age in the console window like Nikhil and the 22 which we have given here. So this is the concept of the abstract class and how to use the abstract class in the TypeScript. So now you can see it only allows us to define the functionality, like here we have defined only the get name and the get age, and the implementation is done by the subclass which is the like in the employee class which is showing us the get name and is returning the name, and the get age which is returning the this dot age. So this is the concept of the abstraction. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video, and guys please subscribe to our channel if you are new.